Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add Trustpilot Widget on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on the Shopify dashboard and this is how the home page looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here, you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and lastly, marketing and discount. Here, you're going to find your sales channels, online store, and point of sale. And lastly, here, you're going to find your applications. So right now, in order to be able to add Trustpilot, first of all, go here under applications, click on add apps. And then once you're here, go to the bottom and then you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. So click on Shopify App Store. And after that, you're going to be taken to this page right here to the App Store. So once here in this page, basically guys, just go to the top. Then here you're going to find the search bar, search for Trustpilot like this. And after that, go ahead and hit enter. Once you do that, you're going to find all of the results for your search. So here in this list, search for Trustpilot reviews, give it a click, and then you're going to be here in the applications page. Once in this page, just go ahead and click on install. And then once you click on install, you're going to be redirected to this page right here. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you need to give it the permissions for viewing your personal data and view and edit your stored data. Click on install if you agree. And after that, just wait for the page to load. And once loaded, it's going to be added here to your dashboard. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.